Let's say that the body is taken care. What about emotional? Violent emotions, for example, anger, fear, hate, greed and jealousy, must be left behind before you sleep. Don't sleep with hatred in your heart. I will tomorrow fix them. You are fixing yourself. See, anger, hatred, jealousy, especially jealousy, is so bad. It just destroys your emotional body if you sleep with these things. They are enemies which you are taking with you and releasing them into your astral body, and they are doing their destructive work until morning. You don't want that. That's why you see prayers are so important before you sleep. We come to that later. Okay. Depression. Never enter into sleep with depression. Think something beautiful and aspire something beautiful. Look at picture beautiful, listen at music beautiful. Uplift yourself and go. Hurry, so that you do not start be trapped in the depression. Ingratitude is so bad. Don't sleep with ungrateful thoughts. Always, you see, you are going to sleep with the thoughts of great gratitude. Thanks God. Why you are thinking? Look how I am healthy today, and I have a bed, and I can sleep. I never appreciated my bed and my sleep until I was in the army. Well, in the army, 3 days I am not sleeping, all mud. We are walking in the mud up to here, sleeping like this, just like that. I said, my goodness, if I have a bed, I will be so grateful to God. When anytime I enter to my bed, I say, thanks God. It's so beautiful to have a bed or a place to sleep. You don't know how much grateful you must be about it. You must be grateful because your body is together. Your hand is not gone, your head is not gone. Of course, you can't exist without your head. You see? But thanks God, everything is together. My husband, my wife, my girlfriend, boyfriend, no matter how icky they are beautiful. You are going to make it very grateful, huh? Complaint must be avoided from your lips before you sleep. Complain. This happened, that happened. Stop it. Give thanks to God. You are sick? Give thanks that you are not dead. See? Really, it is so beautiful. This is so nice. You see, this is the science of living. Science of living. If we don't know these basic things, who cares what the angels are doing, what the masters are doing? We don't need that. First, prepare yourself to be in their presence. Okay? That's the emotional preparation. Even you are going to break the lower desires of your emotions, because whatever you desire, your emotional body takes you to the object of the desires. Because don't forget, sleep is preparation for a lofty journey. Sleep is preparation to raise yourself up into higher levels of consciousness, realities, beauties. Sleep is a process to take you to the presence of wisdom, beauty, and goodness and their sources. Don't forget. So you are going to prepare yourself so that you go and be able to stand in front of these values, powers, beauties. If you left your physical body really beautifully, you are entering into emotional body. And what is happening in the emotional body? You are going, for example, if you left your emotional body, you are going to go groups that teach enlightenment, wisdom, great ashramic teachings, great principles and laws of the universe. These are groups, not ashrams yet, because you are in the mental plane. You can go to the positive mental side, you can go to the negative mental side. If you are taking few loads in your mental body, these loads will lead you to those groups that are interested with these problems, and they mix you up more and more. But if you are positively oriented with good thoughts and good intentions, good motives, good visions towards the future and faith towards the beauty of the future, you are entering into higher groups. For example, higher groups are organized by the disciples of the great ones. And every night they teach you about one thing: how to live a sacrificial life. And immediately you awakened and you feel that today you must do something beautiful. You must help to somebody today. Your words must be full of goodwill and right human relation. It means that you penetrated into these groups only a few minutes. But how you will know? When you are really sleeping, scientifically, and without cut of consciousness, you are penetrating to another levels, you are awake. You know what is going in emotional body, what is going in mental body, and when you come back, you can register directly what you were seeing because you are not sleeping. Your consciousness is not taken from you. That's what the consciousness, continuity of consciousness is, about which I wrote 3 very important chapters. One is in the science of becoming oneself, the rainbow. The other 2, Antahkarana and building bridges in the Psychism. Read them so carefully. If you want to withdraw yourself really intelligently and not spiritually fall into sleep.